This process complete, the HG680PSTB has now been successfully converted into a Linux-based device that can be used like a normal computer. Hello, welcome to the Tech 90 channel. This time, I will discuss how to turn an Android STB with Amlogic S905X chipset into an Armbian desktop. By using this operating system, the STB can function like a Linux-based computer. The installation process will be done via SD card, and I highly recommend using a Class 10 SD card to optimize the performance of Armbian desktop. The first step is to download the Armbian desktop file, the link to which I have provided in the description. After finishing the download, we will do the flashing process using Balena Etcher. To do this, open Balena Etcher, then select Flash from File, and search for the downloaded Armbian file. Next, select Target and specify the SD card to be used. After that, click Flash and wait for the process to finish. If the flashing is successful, we can close Balena Etcher and remove the SD card from the computer. In order for the STB to boot using Armbian, we need to configure the SD card first. Open the SD card, then go to the Xlinux folder. Locate the xlinux.conf file and open it using Notepad or any other text editor. In the RK3399 section, add a hash mark to disable this setting. Then, locate the Mason GLX S905X P212 section and remove the hash mark in front of it to make it active. After that, save the changes and close the text editor. Next, go to the boot folder, locate the U-boot file, rename it by removing the trailing fence, and then add the .ext extension at the end. Once all the settings are done, safely remove the SD card. After that, we can insert the SD card into the STB until we hear a click sound as a sign that the card has been installed correctly. Then connect the keyboard and mouse using either the wireless or wired version, and connect the STB to the monitor using the HDMI cable and plug in the power adapter. Once all the devices are connected, turn on the STB. If the settings are correct, the STB will boot directly into Armbian. Keep in mind, the STB used must be rooted. If not, please find a tutorial on how to root available on YouTube. When the STB successfully enters the Armbian system, the screen will display a prompt to create a new root password. Enter the password as desired, then press Enter. After that, the system will ask us to enter a username and user password that can be made the same or different from the root password. After confirming the username, press Enter, then wait for the installation process to complete. After all the steps have been successfully performed, the Armbian desktop will appear on the screen. To make sure everything is going well, we can try some basic features, such as playing the built-in video to test the graphics performance, connecting to Wi-Fi that has been active since the beginning, and opening YouTube in the browser to check the internet connection. With this process complete, the HG680P STB has now been successfully converted into a Linux-based device that can be used like a normal computer. If you have any questions or encounter any problems during the installation process, feel free to ask in the comments section. Thank you for watching until the end. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.